So this is going to be a quick tutorial about how to replace this little gas door actuator. There's not too many videos out there, only how to repair with WD-40, but if you actually want to replace this piece, in order to pull this out, you would take this screw out that's in here, which is a little screw like that. Then this is going to be in here like so, like this is in like that, and when it's in there completely, you can have this door open. It's not going to affect anything. And what I did was I placed my hands down here and I started pulling kind of like down and upward, and then I started doing the same thing with the top part. And usually what you're trying to do is you're trying to free these clips. So if you can get one clip to free, see, I think I only broke one, but if you try to get one of these clips to free, you can shove a little flathead screwdriver and work your way around and eventually pull this thing out. And when you're working your way around, you're gonna have to close this. So honestly, yeah, you do have to take this out because you know you have to disconnect this, but this is all covered, so